room tour. Or condo tour. Here is the kitchen. Why is everybody so quiet? Yes, I'm making a video. It's the bathroom. Shower. Kitchenette. Little bar. Say hey. Wait, you know you were in the video. Here's the living room. Here's the kids. So, guys, we're in Florida for the weekend. Staying at one of the Westgate resorts. I'll get the name in a minute. But this is the balcony, covered balcony. You can see the pool over there. Hey, fiance.
Hello.
And here's like master suite.
Or sip freshly squeezed juice.
And that's also has like another way to the balcony.
Stop by Sid's Bistro after a day in the sun for a
So they come prepared. Like you have like a lot of baby stuff. So they got a little bassinet for the babies. They also had a little chair for the kid. A high chair. Okay, but so you got a jacuzzi tub, closet, another bathroom, well, toilet, bidet. I've never seen a bidet in one of the condos before. This is like my first time ever like seeing one like in person, whatever. But anyways, and then you have like another shower, double vanity sink. That is it. I'm going to go in this. Say bye. You know what? All right, guys. Bye.